Okay, so YouTube introduced a new thing called handles, and I figure I'm gonna come here and just show you guys how to do it. I have not done it, so again, it should be a pretty decent experience. We should be able to do it together right here. So, like you said right here, this is coming from the official blog. It says introducing handles, a new way to identify your YouTube channel. Obviously, YouTube being having issues with this. A lot of other channels out there copy other channels that are bigger in order to troll or to take money or to scam people and things like that. So this should be a unique way. And as we go through this, it says introducing handles, a new way for people to easily find and engage with the creator and each other on YouTube, right? So it kind of has the feel of Twitter in a way. You're gonna have ad and then your handle. So let's see how this works out. Right here, I'm in my other channel. It's a motorcycle channel. I do have the notification up there. It says stand up and help people connect with choosing a unique YouTube handle. So I'm going to click here, choose now, and it's going to say Jarhead6 Rye. Hi there. Your handle is reserved. Your handle is Jarhead6 Rye, right? And you can see it right here. That was actually quite simple, right? And again, you can see some of the information right here. So now you kind of have like a different URL according to this. It says youtube.com/ at Jarhead6 Rye. I actually like that a lot. Let me click here real quick. If I click change handle just so I could figure it out. You see, I got a couple other choices, right? You got a choice right here that says Jarhead6 Rye, which is my YouTube channel. Also, Jarhead6, that's a different choice right there. And also, you could put a custom in there. And, obviously, you could type something and then you will have to, let's see if I do Jarhead6 Rise Harley. Okay, so if you type something that ridiculous like I'm doing right here, Jarhead6 Rye or Harley, obviously down here to the bottom it says confirm selection. You will have to confirm. In this case, it's actually available because it shows green. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to stay with my regular handle, which is the Jarhead6 Rye for the channel. I'm pretty happy with that. That's the name of the channel. And that's just going to work out. One thing that I would tell you, if you don't have that notification, it's actually quite simple where you can find that. Just go ahead and click in your picture, go to YouTube Studio. You're going to go all the way to the left. You're going to go down where it says customization. And then from here, you're going to have a couple different things in there. You're just going to go to basic. And obviously, you're going to have your channel name and you're going to have your handle. You can see it right there. I definitely recommend you to do this right away because people are going to be copying all the channels and things like that. So you want to make sure that you reserve your name right away. So let me know what you think. We'll see you on the next one.